let's see how I created this so beautiful and super gorgeous storage containers from a paint box. Yes, it's a paint box. Let's get into the video. So first of all, start by taking some empty paint boxes that you may have used up in your projects. Now take a sanding paper and sand a little part so that it is easy for you to make a hole in it. Get set, ready, and drill just a teeny tiny hole for the rope to go through. Now start by creating a really strong base with loads of fevicol and a glue gun if required. Once the base is strong, you don't have to worry much about it. Just start rolling and get the ropes on. Just rotate and then glue. You can choose one rope or two different ropes to make it look interesting and maybe add a different touch to it with its color and texture and everything. But that's completely your choice, you can do it either way. And since it's a round container, so there will be some gap left. All you have to do is cut a piece of rope and stick it with a glue gun or fevicol. Just make sure that you do it as seamlessly as possible. Select paint for the inner container that will match with the aesthetics of the space that you are actually planning to put it in. And voila! It is ready. A beautiful, pretty container for you to, store things in.